Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide notification content from appearing on the lock screen on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match, come back with settings listed right above app. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side, you want to select notifications. And up at the top where it says notifications, get notifications from apps and other senders. Go ahead and left click on that. Where it says show notifications on the lock screen, go ahead and just uncheck that if you want to turn off notifications on the lock screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.